In this video, I'll show you the xliveLess mod for GTA 4, which fixes the xlive.dll issue and it required for many mods to work. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option. Wait for 10 seconds. Select the download now option. Once download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here and right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your game folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder. Now drag and drop this xlive.dll inside of a game folder and now you can launch the game. After installing this mod, GTA 4 will run without games for Windows Live. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.